All right. Everyone see the 21st problem. First, I will read the 20. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit test. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit test. Okay. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. In the third, that means they are conducting the three tests. Actually, first test marks is announced is 70, second test marks also announced is 75, and third test marks is not announced. We have the average at least 60 marks. Average is the at least 60 marks. First test is the 70, second test also 75, means here is the 15 and there is a 110 is there, 25. So for the average 60 is required, means what is the required marks? Minimum marks is the least mark. What is the meaning of least is? Least means minimum. Least means we can be understand. Everyone note down. Least means greater than or equal to that one. Least means starting from that to going on. Least mean minimum to going on, maximum. Least mean greater than or equal. Any one will be happening. Either greater than or equal. Any one. At most means at most means at most means less than or equal. From there, from that point to going on. From that point to going on. Okay, na? Decreasing series is the at most. Increasing series is the at least. Okay, na? At least is the increasing series. Increasing series. Increasing series. You should be remember, at least means increasing, at most means decreasing. Decreasing series. At most means decreasing series. You should be remember this one. Note down the 2 points, everyone. Basing these 2 points, I am going to work out this now. 21st problem, test 1. Test 1. Test 1. Test 1 marks obtained. Marks obtained. Test 1 marks obtained. So test 1 I am going to represent T1 is equal to how many marks is given, Amma? 70. Right. Test 2. Test 2 marks obtained. T2 is equal to 75. Test average is 60 is required. Average is 60 is required. At least 60. Average is at least 60 marks is required. 60 or above 60, no objection. Average is 60 is required. Okay, na? Average. Required average. Required average. Average at least 60, at least 60, at least 60 means how can you write mean? So according to the arithmetic progression, sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Okay, na? Arithmetic mean is sum of two numbers. Arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. 3 numbers arithmetic mean is a plus b plus c by 3. A plus b plus c by 3. 4 numbers arithmetic mean is a plus b plus c plus d by 4. Okay, na? So now I will apply. So the average is required arithmetic series. So that is the at least, that means everyone first series plus second series plus third series by 3. At least means greater than or equal to 60. Greater than or equal to 60. Test 1 mass is given 70. Test 2 mass is given 75. Test 3 is not given by 3. E is greater than or equal to 60. Cross multiplication by the cross 70 plus 75 is the 145. Plus test 3 mass is required greater than or equal to 180. The test 3 is 180 minus 45. 145 means 35. Test 3 mass is at least equal to 35 or more than 35. Right. Greater than 35 or more than 35, you will get the above 60 average. Above 60 average. Now write down the answer is everyone greater than or equal to 35. So greater than or equal to 35 answer is the correct. Okay, na? Right. I go through the 22nd problem. I go through the 22nd problem. First everyone completed, na? Right. I go through the 22nd problem. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks. One must obtain an average of 90 marks or more. Average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. So more is given. Okay, more means greater than or more. Okay. Average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. If Sunita marks in first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94 and 95. Find the minimum mass means least mass. Least means greater than or equal. Already more is given. Before only more is given. Find the minimum mass that Sunita must obtain in the fifth examination to get the grade A in the course. To get the grade A in the course. Once again, I am going to read the problem. Everyone see. To receive grade A in a course. Okay, na? So one must obtain average of 90 marks. Average of 90 marks for grade A. First write down. For grade A, write down the first point. For grade A, average marks is 90. 90 for grade A. For grade A, average mass is average mass of 90 or more. Average mass of 90 or more. That is the grade A. More is given means greater than. More is given means greater than. That is the grade A. Okay, na? Grade A is given. Everyone clear? So next, what is telling? Fourth, if the Sunita in the first 5 tests, first test Mars award, first test Mars, that is the T1 is given by 87. Test 2, second test Mars, T2 is equal to, second test mass T2 is equal to 92. Third test mass T3 is equal to 95 or 97, 94. Fourth test mass T4 is equal to 95. So required is the fifth test mass at least minimum for getting the grade. So required fifth test mass at least fifth test mass at least 90 for grade A, at least 90 for grade A, for grade A, for grade A. So at least we are asking the at least 90 is required. So average is the 90. Required fifth test mass average is at least 90 for grade A. So now I will write, so T1 arithmetic series, T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 by 5 test dividing the number by E is greater than 90. E is greater than 90. Now write down T1, T2, T3 test mass. T1, T2, T3 test mass. Write down T1, T2, T3 test mass. T1 mass is the 87. T2 mass is the 92. T3 is the 94. T4 is the T5 is the 95. T5 is the required by 5. Is average is the at least 90 is required. At least 90 is required. Now simplify everyone. Now simplify. So 87, 92, 180, 87. This is the 90, 90, 270. 5, 9, 11. So 281 is correct. 281 plus 87. So 8, 16, 368 is correct. Everyone see. Minimum mass is the 82 Afzal. Right. What is the minimum mass is the 82 is Afzal is telling. So everyone is the 82 is telling. Okay. 82 is telling. Abhay also telling 82. This is the correct. 368 correct. Adding. Tell me what is the adding mass. Everyone tell the adding mass is 87. 87, 92, 94, 95. D5 is required by 5 is greater than or equal to 90. Right, everyone, it should be add and tell me what is the mass is by adding 368. Right, 368. So 368 plus T5 is greater than cross multiplication 450. Okay, now T5 is greater than 450 minus 368. 450 minus 368 is the 82. Okay, now 82. 82 or above 82 is the required. Okay, answer is 82, not 82. 82 or greater than 82. For grade 1, 90 or above 90 is the grade 1. Therefore, okay, na? 92 or above 92. 82 or above 82. Okay, na, Nichal? Right. Everyone come to the 23rd problem. Third problem. Everyone see the 23rd problem. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. 23rd problem. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10. Okay, such that the sum is more than 11. The sum is more than 11. Once again, you can read the problem. Once again, you should read. What is the given problem is, one time you can read. Once again, you can read. What is telling point is, tell me. So, 23rd is find all pairs. Pairs is required. Okay, na? Find all pairs of consecutive odd. Consecutive means side by side. Consecutive means one side by side. Consecutive odd positive integers. Okay. Or odd integers, both of which are smaller than 10. Both should be smaller than 10. Now tell me, what are the odd positive integers? Odd positive integers, tell me. Below 10. Below 10. So odd positive integers, below 10, its pair is required. Odd positive integers pair. Odd positive integers pair is required. That is below 10. That is below 10. I will take below 10 odd number C is, everyone see. 1 is the odd number, positive integer. 1 is the odd number, 3 is the odd number, 5 is the odd number, 7 is the odd number, 9 is the odd number. In odd number, what is the difference in between? See, first two pairs different, next two pairs different, next two pairs different, next two pairs different. Observe, what is the difference? See, first two pairs, next two pairs, and the next two pairs difference. Understand? Difference is the 2, not 1. Observe, wrong. 1 and 3 difference. What is the 1 and 3 difference? See, 1 and 3 difference is 2. 3 and 5 difference is 2. 7 and 9 difference is 2. Therefore, I am going to let odd positive integers pair in. One is the x mean, second one is the x plus 2. One is x mean, second one is the x plus 2. Understand? One is the x mean, first one is the 1 mean, second one is the 1 plus 2. First one is 3 means, second one is the 3 plus 2. Okay, na? First one is x, second one is the x plus 2. Well, that is the pair is required. What is the given point? C? First one also less than 10. First number also less than 10. And second number also less than 10. First number also less than 10. Second number also less than. So x is less than 10. One equation. From this, x is less than 8 is the another equation. X is less than 8 is the another equation. Okay, na? Next, what is the given is? One more point. What is the given is? Their sum is more than 11. Sum is, so their sum is more than 11. Their sum is what he is telling? More than 11 means the sum is more than 11. More than 11. More than 11. Not equal. Only more than. What is the sum of this pair? X plus 2 is greater than 11. 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. 2x greater than 9. X is greater than 9 by 2. Okay, now x is greater than 4.5. This is the third equation. That is the third equation. Okay, observe. Very good. Okay, observe. Very good. How it is getting? How it is getting pair? That pair is the important. How we are getting the pair? Everyone see. Here three conditions is there. First condition is the less than 10. I will draw the figure, line figure. First one is the less than 10. 10, 9, 8, going on up to decreasing. Less than means decreasing. Sorry, I will draw figure is here is not clear. Here I will draw. See everyone, I will draw figure here. Here is the 10 going on decreases. Less than means decreasing. 10, 9, 8. Less than means decreasing minus infinity. Second one, so is that 10 is decreasing. Second one is 8 to decreasing. 8 to decreasing. Okay, x is less than 8 means 8 to decreasing. Less than means decreasing. Third one is x is greater than 4.5. Greater than means increasing. 4.5. Here is the 4.5. 4.5 to increasing. 4.5 to increasing. Okay, na? 4.5 to increasing. 4.5 to increasing. What is the common C? 4.5 to 8 is the common. 3 lines are common. 3 lines are common. 4.5 to 8. 3 lines are common. 4.5 to 8. Okay, na? So, is not equal to 4.5, not equal to 8. What is the number above 4.5 is? What is the above 4.5 is the 5 and 7. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and 7. X is equal to 5 and 7. Here also x. X is equal. Once again, I will explain. Here only you get confusion. Once again, I am explaining. Everyone see. Once again, I am explaining. Everyone see. First one, line draw. First one, draw the line. First one, draw the line. This is the infinity minus infinity. This is the infinity minus infinity. So x less than 10, from 10 to decreasing reaches to minus infinity. 10 to minus infinity. X less than 8, 8 to decreasing, 8 to decreasing. So 8 and 7, 6 decreasing, less than means decreasing. So next, another 4.5 to increasing, 4.5 to increasing up to infinity. 3 have common line. 3 lines are common up to 8. 3 lines are common up to 8. So above 4.5, below 8. Above 4.5, below 8. That is equal to 5 and 7 are the integers. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, odd numbers. Above 5 and below 8 odd numbers. Only odd numbers, even number don't take. Sir, 5, 6 also there, na, sir. Even number not. Odd integers, odd positive integers. Above 4.5, below 8 odd integers is the 5 and 7. Therefore, x is equal to 5, 7. Page write down. Page is the x comma x plus 2. That is equal to 5 comma 5 plus 2. One page. Second page write down 7 comma 7 plus 2. 7 comma 7 plus 2. Therefore, page are 5 comma 7 and 7 comma 9. 5 comma 7 and 7 comma 9. Is it clear, everyone? Here is I will write 7 comma 7 plus 2. 7 comma 7 plus 2. Okay, na? Now we get the answer is the 5 comma 7, 7 comma 9. One time check the, everyone check the answer is the correct one. Everyone check the answer is correct one. Right. Same model, work out the 24th problem, everyone. Same model, work out the 24th problem. Same model. Come, sir. Okay. Correct, sir. Okay, okay, correct, Amma. Right. 24th problem. Find all pairs of consecutive even. Here is the even. So find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5. Sir, would we do right for x value? What is the doubt, Amma? Once again, tell me that doubt. Repeat. Same model, sir. Yes. Once again, the doubt is repeat. Not read that one charting. Once again, that doubt is repeat. How to write x values are? See. How to write x values is. How to x values, see, once again I will explain. Somebody is getting doubt. Once again I am explaining this one. Once again I am explaining this one. Once again I am explaining this one. Right, see everyone. Once again I am explaining. Once again, first line draw. Draw the line. It is the negative side, minus infinity. This is the positive side. First see, first see x less than 10, x less than 8, less than 8 take less than 8, less than 8 means, less than means decreasing, 8 to decreasing, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going on, going on, going on, negative. So minus infinity to 8, less than 8. Second one, 10 we can take. 10, I am taking the 10 here. Going on decreasing, less than 10. Going 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, up to minus 10 also clear. 10 less than 10 means decreasing. Okay, the point is clear. 4.5 more. 4.5 greater, x greater than 4.5 greater means increasing. 4.5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinity. 4.5 from 4.5 to increasing up to infinity. 3 lines common, you can see 3 lines common. 3 lines. So here is the 3 lines is common. 3 lines is common up to 8. 3 lines is common up to 8. Above 4.5, below 8. Not equal to 4.5, not equal to 8. Okay, now all are not equal. Not equal, not equal. Above 4.5, below 8. Above 4.5 is the 5, 6, 7. Okay, now below 8. So, but odd numbers, our problem is the odd positive integers. Odd numbers is the x is equal to 5 and 7. Okay, now please write down 5 and 7. Clear, everyone? Right. 24th problem, go everyone. Go to the 24th problem. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers. Right on. Let pairs of consecutive integer. Let pairs of positive integers. Positive integers. Positive integers. Positive integer, both which are larger than 5, both which are larger than 5, that positive integers also let it be x plus 2. Positive even integers, what are the positive integers? 2, 4, 6, 8, consecutive C. So consecutive C, difference is 2. One is the x means, another one is the x plus 2. Right. So now, what is the both are greater than 5? Both are greater than 5. So x is greater than 5. And x, first equation, x plus 2 also greater than 5. That is, x is greater than 3. Second equation. Right. Next, everyone. What is the? Their sum is less than 23. Sum is, their sum is less than 23. Their sum is less than 23. So x, another number is the x plus 2. less than 23, 2x less than 23 minus 2. So 2x less than 21, x is less than 21 by 2, that is x is less than 10.5, less than 10.5. Okay, na? So less than 10.5. So no equal, let it be equation number 3. Now draw the line. Minus infinity plus infinity. First one, first equation less than, both are first equation greater than 3, from 3 starting, 3 going on increases, greater means increases, 3, 4, 5, 6 increase up to infinity, greater than 5, from 5 to increasing, 5 to infinity. Next one, drawing line is a compulsory, sir, only our understanding, sir. The drawing line is not compulsory, for only understanding. Right, less than 10.5, less than 10.5, less than means decreasing, decreasing. Okay, na? 3 lines common see. 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines are common from 5 to 10.5. What is the 5 to 10.5 even numbers? 5 to 10.5 even numbers. So 5, 6, one number, 8, one number, only 10, one number. So 6, 8, 10, 10 also there. 6, 8, 10, Nichal, 10 also there. 10 also even number. Right, now write down x plus 2 pays, write down x plus 2 pays. One is the 6 means, another one is the 6 plus 2. One is 8 means, another one is the 8 plus 2. One is 10 means, another one is the 10 plus 2. Okay, na? 10 plus 2. Now write down the page C, 6 comma 8, 8 comma 10, and 10 comma 12. Answer check, everyone. Check the answer. Is it correct? Right. Answer is correct. Okay, na? Right. 25th problem. Time is there. Huh? Time is over. 25th problem. The longest side of a triangle. Very good, Nichal. Correct. Answer is correct, Nichal. So have the time now? No problem now for doing the 25th problem. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. 3 times. 3 times is the greater. 2 minutes is the remaining. Okay, I first understand the problem. If we have time means we can do. No means tomorrow we can do. Okay, na? Okay, sir. Okay, time is, time is more than, okay, sorry. I will stop more than. Tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, 2 problems only. Tomorrow we discuss. Tomorrow we can start the 6.2 exercise also. Okay, na? 6.2 exercise also we are going to start. Okay, na? Okay. Just you can try. 6th problem you should try, but same order. Tomorrow I will explain. Okay. Today time is over actually, more than 10:40 means next class is the problem. Okay. I will stop meeting.